Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about the helping verb to be. Let's get started. Now, we use auxiliary verbs, which are also known as helping verbs, to form questions, negative sentences, compound sentences, the perfect tense or the continuous tense, and the passive voice. Note that the basic auxiliary verbs are to be, to do, and to have. Note that the helping verb to be can be used as an auxiliary and a main verb. Have a look at the following examples. My sister is kind. Now in this sentence, the verb is the main verb. And in this sentence, my sister is cooking dinner. The verb is an auxiliary verb that helps to build the present continuous tense. Cooking dinner. Remember that the verb to be is irregular. Have a look at the table below. Now the base form of the verb to be is be. The present form, am, is, or are. Past form, was or were. Present participle or gerund, being. Past participle, been. Now you can use the auxiliary verb to be A, when you don't want to repeat something. For example, everyone was working that day, but I wasn't. Meaning, I wasn't working. B, to deny something or say that it's not true. For example, you're being unreasonable. No, I'm not. Meaning, I'm not being unreasonable. C, to show interest in what somebody has said or to show surprise. For example, Kelly and Peter are dating. Are they? Really? Showing surprise. D, with so when you agree, and neither or nor when you disagree. For example, I'm sleepy. So am I. I agree. I'm sleepy too. My parents are never late. Neither are mine. Meaning that my parents are never late either. Now let's review the helping verb to be and practice a bit. Remember that we can use the helping verb to be as an auxiliary or a main verb. Now read the following sentences and decide whether the verbs are being used as an auxiliary or main verb of the sentence. His grandfather was a brave man. Main verb. The students were working on a group project. Auxiliary verb. Also remember that we use the auxiliary verb to be when you don't want to repeat something. Read the following sentence and fill in the blank using the appropriate form of the helping verb. Anna's husband was happy about the upcoming job opportunity, but she wanted to stay in LA. Anna's husband was happy about the upcoming job opportunity, but she wasn't. She wanted to stay in LA. Also remember that we use the auxiliary verb to be to deny something or say that something is not true. Read the following sentence and fill in the blank using the appropriate form of the helping verb to be. The party was a disaster. No, it was a blast. No, it wasn't. It was a blast. Note that the auxiliary verb to be can also be used to show interest in what somebody has said or to show surprise. Read the following sentence and fill in the blank using the appropriate form of the helping verb to be. Don't you know that Samantha is moving abroad? Are you sure? Is she? Are you sure? Remember that we use the auxiliary verb to be with so when you agree and neither or nor when you disagree. And note that the auxiliary verb goes before the subject. Practice responding to the following sentences using the appropriate form of the helping verb to be. Jack is feeling uplifted. So is she. I'm not happy about the news. Neither am I. Here is a short story using the helping verb to be. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. Max and Anne are getting married next month. Are they? Really? I'm quite surprised. So am I. It all happened so fast. They have known each other for such a short time. It's crazy, isn't it? Yes, it is. And are they inviting everyone to their wedding? No, they aren't. I think that they are planning on having a small wedding. Are they? Well, maybe it's for the better. I'm not a fan of big weddings. Nor am I. Now time for you to practice on your own. Read the following sentences and decide whether the underlined verb to be is an auxiliary or a main verb in the sentence. A. I've never been to Paris. B. My friends were enjoying the hike, but I wasn't. C. I'm trying to concentrate. Don't bother me with your questions. D. Jenny was extremely upset after getting her exam results. Read the following sentences and give short answers using the auxiliary verb to be. A. I wasn't upset to find out that our classes were canceled. B. Rachel's Thanksgiving trifle with bananas and beef was a disaster. C. Do you know that Liz is going to participate in a beauty pageant? D. Are you trying to say that I'm wrong? E. We are happy to be here with you today. F. I'm not very interested in joining the club. Now let's check your answers. A. I've been to Paris. Main verb. My friends were enjoying the hike, but I wasn't. Auxiliary verb. I'm trying to concentrate. Don't bother me with your questions. Auxiliary verb. Jenny was extremely upset after getting her exam results. Main verb. Sample answers. Neither was I, nor was I. Yes, it was. No, it wasn't. Joey liked it. Is she? Really? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. So am I. Neither am I, nor am I. Thank you for watching this tutorial.